Welcome to Research Made Easy. Here we present how to start research today. Research is a challenging but rewarding process. To help you step by step, we have made research easy for you. When you have to start research, it can be hard to know where to begin, but there are some clear steps you can follow. We will provide you with 2 ways to start your research. One is the standard research methodology adopted by every independent researcher, and second is the easiest way to start your research today straightway. So, let me briefly explain the common research process first. Here are the few steps to follow for the independent research. First, you have to come up with some ideas. Your thesis or dissertation topic can start out very broad. Think about the general area or field you're interested in. Maybe you already have specific research interests. Then, identify your research question. What do you want to learn or investigate? Your research question should be specific and focused. Then, conduct a literature review. Search for and read existing research on your topic. This will help you understand the current state of knowledge on your topic and identify gaps in the existing research. Then, define your research methods. Determine how you will collect and analyze data for your research. This may involve conducting experiments, surveying individuals, or analyzing existing datasets. Then, create a research plan. Outline the steps you will take to complete your research, including timelines and resources needed. Execute your research plan. Follow your research plan to collect and analyze your data. Communicate your findings. Share your research with others through academic papers, presentations, or other appropriate channels. Remember to be flexible and open to adjusting your research plan as you learn more about your topic and make new discoveries. SOR for the first option. The good way to get started with an independent research project is to do literature review and use your notes and other materials to come up with topics that interest you. Research your favorite topic to see if it can be developed, and then refine it into a research question. Begin thoroughly researching, and collect notes and sources. Coming to the second option of the starting research today. This is the shortest way to start your research without any expertise. According to Stanford University guidelines, the another way to engage in research is to join a faculty member and assist with their research project. So what is the better way? Conducting independent research, or joining with someone? Some students just assist in faculty research. They love it, proceed with it further. Then they decide that they are not interested in pursuing their own research project. Other students don't get involved in research until the day they are ready to propose their own independent project. They spent time on designing the research question and methodology. And some students will pursue both options. Usually they assist a faculty member earlier in their career, and then engage in their own independent research project later on. So, are you not sure which option to choose? Don't worry. We are also here to help. If you want to get advice on selection of the 2 options, then we would suggest you to go on with the second option. This is because joining a researcher, or assisting a professor with their research project, can help you learn valuable new skills. It can help you achieve research capabilities. It can help you learn the research process. Moreover, after conducting a research project with a senior researcher, you can easily identify whether you want to continue this research, or you want to start your own research project. This can also help you to think about whether you may want to design your own research project someday. So here you go. Today, you have learnt how to start research today. That is by joining hands in an expert researcher. Assisting a researcher. Collaborating with a research can be an excellent choice to start your research easily. If you want to know the details on starting a novel research project, watch my video on how to start an independent research. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video.